Thank you. Let's go have some fun. So much stuff in here. There's a random weird light bulb. Just like, here's all this stuff. What are you doing, Dad? Hey, that's mine. So you might be asking yourself, where am I? What's going on? So I decided to take a vacation. A lot of crazy stuff has been happening. I've got some updates about life. Every time something changes, something else changes, and the backup plan becomes the primary plan. The primary plan gets thrown out, and a new tertiary plan comes in, and it's just one thing after the next. But I decided to take a vacation, right? Take a couple days to visit my family's farm here in wonderful Alabama. Great place to visit, right on the Tennessee line. Beautiful. They got like 28 acres. Got my nieces, my nephew, dogs. We got a mule. We got a four-wheeler. We got all kinds of stuff to have fun, which we're going to do here very shortly. Or you've already seen in the intro, depending on how I edit this video, you've seen some clips already of what we're doing. Because things have been crazy, right? Things have been ridiculous. The world's on fire, and every time you turn around, something new is happening. And sometimes you just gotta take a moment for yourself and kind of just go, I need to unwind. I need to detox. I need to have a little fun. I need to relax a little bit. And it's kind of hard to do that in the crazy big city where we live. So we came out here to the quiet countryside to accomplish that. So let's talk about some of these updates, right? The first one is I am moving again. So for those of you that are new, let me recap the series of events of moving. So I came back from Germany to Florida, and then from Florida, I went to Utah, and then from Utah, I went to New Jersey, and then from New Jersey, I went to Massachusetts, and now from Massachusetts, I will be going back out west to Colorado. And that is the series of moves in 2 years that I've done. And the reason for that is my job. I work for an environmental company, and I am constantly looking for an opportunity to grow my skills and enhance my position within the company that I'm in. So some of those moves, I've had the same position, and then now with this move, I've gotten a new position. It's going to be a promotion I'm really excited for, and it's going to allow me to work kind of hybrid, a little bit remote, a little bit in office. My partner just got a new job that's fully remote, doing something that they love. So we're super excited for this next chapter of our life because we get to go somewhere that we love. I love living out west. East Coast was great. Just not really for me. So we get to go back out west to the mountains, to the place that we live and or love and enjoy, and all this other stuff. And I'm just really, really excited for that aspect. And the other update is I am behind on reviews. I have been crazy busy, and now I've been on vacation. I owe everybody that voted the Bellroy light backpack review, which I'm hoping to have up when, if not already, by the time this video is out, soon after. I'm hoping to have this video out at some point, and then the Bellroy video will be next. A lot of stuff. I haven't really had a chance to reach out to companies like I normally do to get products to review. I've got some clothing coming from Cuts Clothing, which I'm super, super stoked to show you. I did finally get the Not Me Only hoodie, finally. So now I have the complete collection from Not Me Only. If you haven't seen my video about that, I'll throw a card up. It's a great clothing company. I absolutely love this. This thing is just absolutely phenomenal. So comfy and so wonderful. I just absolutely enjoy it. So if you're looking for good quality clothing, Maddie Hapuja came out with this line, Not Me Only. It's fantastic. It's not YouTuber merch. It's fantastic. You should check that out. And the other thing that's kind of been an update is I have started to offer my services as a photographer and a videographer for a very small price because I'm nowhere near the level of charging full price to people. So if there is footage or photos that you would like me to edit, again, my cost is very low right now, just because I'm just trying to break into doing it full time, and I've only ever really done it for myself in this channel. So I want to try something by offering these services. So if you want to shoot me an email, odiematthewsbags@gmail.com, tell me what you want edited, whether it be a video or maybe it be some photos. Tell me what you want, negotiate a very small price. I'm talking very minimal. Like if you're thinking hundreds of dollars, nope, you need to cut that in half, because that's not, I just really want to do it as a way, for one, all of this money that I'm going to be doing this for is going to be going towards our moving fund because we move a lot. It's expensive. Usually I sell stuff like bags and whatnot to move. So all the money from this little project, or this little experiment, if you will, is going to go towards helping us move back out west, but also just to test my skills, and then also provide a cheaper photography and video editing service for you guys, my people that I love, and you support me. So I want to help you out. And instead of, you having to go somewhere and pay hundreds of dollars, maybe I can do it, and it'll help me, and it helps you, and it'll be great. And I'm really excited to try this. So if you're interested, shoot me an email, and we can discuss it. And I'm really excited because I've done some local work where I normally live in Mass, and it's been pretty fun. It's gone pretty well. I've been doing some ads for some companies, some really small ads, and it's just been really fun. It's really cool to grow in this skill set that I love and enjoy so much. So the rest of this video, just to let you know, is just going to be clips of the trip, of my nieces being funny because they're the best, my nephew who's a baby, probably not doing much of anything interesting because he's a baby, and then just all the fun that we have on this farm because my dad has tons of toys. As you can see behind me, this is what's coming up, and then you've got that little guy right there, and there's just tons of fun stuff. And I'm really excited because who doesn't love having a great time doing fun stuff? And my dad's shop is insane because there's stuff in here from when I was a child. Actually, I wanted to show you this real quick. I'm gonna put you down on this drill press. Look at this. Okay, so real quick, this I painted this so long ago, and I thought this was so good. I was like probably 12, right? Probably 12, and my dad has had it in the same spot on his thing to the point. Do you see that? How it looks black in one area? That's where this goes. This has been sitting there for so long that it has made the dust, and I guess my dad just doesn't dust. That it has now left an imprint, which is hilarious to me. So again, I love you guys. You guys are the best. My subscribers, literally, you guys are just amazing. And I love all the love and support you give me and this channel. And I'm very, very thankful to be going into 2022 with this channel and with you guys. And with all of that, let's roll some more fun clips, shall we? What do you want to say to all your fans?
Say Megalodons forever.
Tell them how much you love sharks.
Because they're my best friends.
Sharks are your best friends? I thought I was your best friend.
Because Master Shark.
Fast and Furious. Little delayed.